This is a very natural wig. Like, wow, this looks like my natural hair. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I did a really natural install today. This looks like my hair, no cap. Like, the density, I think it's like, I don't know, 120, I don't even know, but it's really natural looking. I cut the tops, and it's just a little closure front, so okay, period. So I really like how it came out. It's something different. It really looks like my quick weave video. Like, this looks just like the hair from there, like, but it's a quick wig. So yes, if you like this look, stay tuned, keep watching. All right, so I have plucked and bleached my knots. Also need to take this lace off again. I just used the good old powder. Good old powder. All these wigs in the back. God damn, girl. Get it together. There we go. So we're gonna glue it here. Could you fucking imagine? Okay. Alright. Okay. Now. So it says use this first and then use the spray. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna use this first, then use the spray. Put the glue along here. I don't know if you guys know, but I'm really excited about this. Okay. Why I put it way over there? So the reason why I wanted to use the gel is because I knew I didn't want to put on the wig cap. So I want to use the gel because it'll be easier on my head. I didn't want to use no glue. I didn't want to glue nothing down. That's ridiculous. So much is this. And apparently this is supposed to be bitter anyway. Okay, I don't want to use a lot. So I want this shit to work. So I'm gonna let that dry. I be coming on here disrespectful. Like, they wonder why my videos don't be doing views. Like, don't nobody want to sit there and look at you, girl. Okay. Just for a little extra hold. Why not? I be centering myself out because it's hard to edit the centers. Okay. Cool. I think that should be enough. I like how this doesn't like go anywhere. It kind of stays where you put it. Oh my god, that keeps slipping. That's not sticking whatsoever. Okay, about to get irritated. Okay, it's getting white, so put that down there. Okay. So that's on. Looks a little pretty to me, but just gonna do this how we do any other wig, I guess. Right. So I'm gonna let that sit there. I don't know what it's gonna do because I've never used this glue, but we're just gonna continue how we continue.
Back in the mail, it's gone. Shit like I smell cologne. Yeah, I just signed the deal, I'm on. Yeah, yeah. I know I want good. Play if you want the store.
I really hope, like, I want to be able to, like, pull the fucking hair up. How arrogant Tay always be doing. Like, if I'm not able to do that, false advertisement, and I want my money back, Tay. Okay? Y'all know what I'm talking about. How he be, like, lifting it up. Y'all know what I'm talking about.
I step all in front of your partners and children. I'm the type, and that nigga think that I'm broke until I pop out with $1 million. Take 20K and put that on your head and make one of your partners come kill you. Yeah, say fucking with me and you gotta grow up. This nigga got them shit. This shit can't fit in my pocket. I got it like I hit the lottery. Slap the shit out of nigga. No talking. I don't like to argue with you. I just don't. Ain't gonna be no more laughing. You see me with back, cause I'm gonna be the shot me a nigga. I don't follow no bitches on IG, but all of your bitches they following me. The nigga ain't gon' shoot shit with that gun. He just pull it out in this bitch. Hit the shot. Huh? Back in the mail, it's gone. Shit like I smell cologne. Yeah, I just signed the deal, I'm on. Yeah, yeah. I know I want good. Play if you want the store. I'm a young CEO, sure. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Alright, big fucking reveal. This is how I really want to wear it. Like, just kind of fix that some way, but. You know what? God damn it. Okay. So.
Jason ready, baby.
Nigga off the top, what the fuck you thought? I ain't gotta wait to kick. If a bitch want me, then a bitch gon' wait. I ain't gotta wait for bitch. If I feel like playing, I'ma play with my kids. I ain't finna play with niggas. I gotta go for every room I got in my crib. You can say I stay with bitches. You can say I gotta stay with another nigga bitch. You can tell if you play, I'm pissed. You can tell that I'm nothing like none of these rappers. Everybody know baby different. Yeah, no, I'm not no motherfucking tough guy. But if you play with me, pull him up high. Yeah, my bitch, she got pretty skin and pretty eyes. She look just like TLC left eye. Fucking the most in my city, but if I do, she from the west side. And I can be fucking you bitches for free. You gotta pay me on that time. We in this bitch now, we on that time. Don't gotta pay for the sauce, so I stack mine. Yeah, and I can wear sweatpants like air, then take your bitch like that. Okay, and you gon' go blow your shit on clothes and shit, but watch me invest. Yeah, and I'ma show other niggas how to get some money. We ain't waiting I'm trying to go get me some money. Give jobs to my niggas, yeah, bitch, you the realest. I ain't being stingy with money. I told him I'm pocket of new shit. You can reach in my pockets, it's blue shit. And baby on baby out now. When my shit come on, everybody like who this? I know they gon' copy the flavor. I ain't really tripping, little nigga, I do this. Pull up to the scene with a new hoe. The bitches I pick like they new boy. Them diamonds be dancing like Bruno.
I just think that we should take a second to look at how natural this wig looks. Like, is this a, it just, I like the way that it moves, okay? I love this wig. It looks very natural. I mean, the density is like not what I'm used to, but it's so pretty. It's so pretty. I think it's the most natural looking wig I've had, so, oh.
I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas cross the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, all my raps on the facts, they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I can tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out the state. Got a little mix with me, either way. It's a big gap between us and the game. The next life, I'm trying to stay paid. I die, put my money in the... When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really gonna snap every nigga in a race. I really might tap realest nigga on my face. Lil' C's.
Thank you. So this is all for this look. I'm gonna come back and put some crepes in it or something. See what we could do with this wig. So yeah, see you on the next one.